Guys, what it do? What it do? You already know who it is. I'm back. Another quick video. I always say quick. It don't be quick, but just run up here real quick and get my truck looked at. I gotta. Hold on, let me roll these windows up. I got a stud broke on the truck. One of my lug nuts broke. So I gotta get it cut off, but that's the only way I can rotate my wheels, my tires and stuff. So I gotta get all this junk done. I know it's gonna take a minute, but I'm trying to get it done before I go to the Rick Ross show. Because I don't need no mishaps or no nothing going up that road. Because everybody know I drive my junk everywhere. I'm not finna, the only thing I'm pull is a smart car. Smart ass gonna be pulled, but this here, I'm driving it. So I gotta get up there, go holler at my little partner Robert. Good dude, man. A young dude, got his little thing going. He the one damn near built my truck, really, pretty much. At the shop that I got it built at was Alpha Customs. You know what I'm saying? Keep in touch with him. He got his own little thing now. So if I can ever catch up with him and stay so doggone busy, I can get him to do my stuff. But as of now, that's where I'm finna go. Chit chat with him real quick, see when I can drop it off. And every time I go up there, he try to get me to spend some money. But hey, we gonna see. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it is time for a new look on the truck. I mean, I ain't saying a whole new look, but it's time. You know what I'm saying? It's time to change it up. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this first. I gotta get my wife's car done. Well, she wanted wrapped. So after I do that there, it's all open for the truck. I'm gonna still gonna do my Lexus. I'm piecing it together. But the truck is gonna match the car, so I gotta go on and jump on it. So hopefully, it ain't gonna be no rush. Hopefully, I wouldn't mind having the truck wrapped by Ross, which is 2 months. That ain't finna happen. But yeah. We gonna see though. But if you ain't already did it, look, it don't cost nothing to hit that button, that like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications, like that boy CJ say, and join the hangout. You know what I'm saying? All we do is hang out. But yeah, let me pull up on him, man. And I just got off work. I had to go home and take the little car home and jump in the truck because I seen him at the shop. So pull up on him. Hey, we'll go from there. Get y'all later. Peace.
12 seconds later.
Huh?
It's a 2020. It's the last year of this body style.
This the one I like too. Oh, the bitch come wheels already on it?
And Brembos.
Like this bitch, yeah. What you gonna do to it, man?
I'm gonna drop it, put a can in.
So you threw with the lift and shit?
For a little bit. Just for a little bit. That'd be fun.
That's clean though. I like that.
It's 10 speed.
Huh?
It's 10 speed. Transmission. It's quick. Keys might be in.
What the fuck?
I know, everyone says that every time I say it. I got the keys.
That's crazy, man. I see Deontay selling his goddamn his lift.
What happened?
DeAndre,
Oh, yeah. I can't find my keys. They're probably in the
he
shop.
says he wrote me. I forgot to write him back, but I seen it.
Why don't you buy the lift off him?
I don't know,
So
man.
that goes for a lot.
I want
You
to.
paint them control lines? They
Yeah.
were that bad?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
No, I painted
I
them.
thought you'd gotten them powdered.
I did, but shit, look at that powder right there. Look at that shit.
Are you for real?
How it's coming off. How that shit coming off, man.
Are them new lowers too?
Yeah, all that shit is supposed to be. Told you I need you, dog. I need you.
You put a bigger leveling kit on too?
Nah, the same
That's
shit
the
y'all
same?
put on there. Yeah.
I'll take care of it. If you want, we can get you new lowers and get them powdered. Like, we'll get them done good.
I'm really ready, honestly. I'm ready to take this whole lift off. I want me a Cognito.
You just need to pull the trigger.
I know for real though, dog. I want to be able to break it down so I can just sit it somewhere.
I know. I got a guy up in North Carolina. He chromes. You get it chrome plated and gold plated entirely.
That'd be hard as fuck.
Especially since this is always parked, you won't get dirty.
Yeah, for real.
That's what I would do. Let me grab my phone. I'll show you.
All right.
You ever heard of the kid?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, he's good.
Little Robert trying to get me to spend some money, y'all. Every time. But he good though. He know what he doing. I trust him. Guess who built the truck? Him. Train horns don't work no more.
That's probably a relay.
Probably just had a motherfucker redone.
See if I can find him.
Yeah, he had wrote me talking about selling it. But I need to be able to break this one down so I can sell this lift.
How much does he want?
He didn't say. He just told me to make him offer.
You want me to call him?
Nah, because he's going to piss me off because I'm going to want to get it. So.
I'd probably get you that lift for like $4,000. That's cheap.
Hell yeah, that's cheap for that fucking lift,
With the
man.
coilovers?
Yeah.
Only thing is, he doesn't have the rear. But we did an 8-inch rough country block, because that's the biggest block they sell. That or a super lift block. And then we did a 1-inch lift shackle. That's how we got his rear so tall. And it's up there. It's not squatted too much.
He said he had something in the rear.
Yeah.
Some kind of something.
I'm telling you, you need to buy it. I can sell this lift for you. I could.
I wonder how much I can get for my lift. I mean, I'm selling all the shit. Everything red gotta go. Except for train horns.
Are you gonna get rid of all the red?
That's the whole lift. It's the red.
Oh, yeah,
I mean, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back with it on another lift.
The gold.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. Chrome and gold. That's all your truck is.
I know for real though, man.
Do the cross member gold, the lower
That's what
control arms chrome, and then
That would be fucking nice.
do these chrome and leave these gold.
Cause me and Ryan talked about one time doing a cross member, getting it chrome plated and doing it gold.
Yeah, there's a dude. You ship it in, you ship it back within like 3 days.
Damn. You gotta send me his information, man.
I can't find it.
When you whatever you find, just send it to me. I seen a dude that be doing the polish. Car caught on fire one time.
Huh?
Remember the dude that be doing the polish? They come to polish the
Oh, Thomas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see his car burnt up, man. That's bullshit. He did?
Yeah.
Damn. I need to get all this shit redone. I got a dude finish ceramic coat it for me. Then I'm gonna put a purple on it. I'm gonna match my smart car. So it'll be purple and gold.
That look good.
Yeah. Time to change it up, so. Wish I could have it done before Rick Ross show.
We ought to get you that Cognito.
I see you playing. I wonder if I can sell mine for them. I mean, I don't know. So I gotta wait till you get some room. So I gotta break this motherfucker down and leave it sitting somewhere.
I'm about to pull John's truck out.
What John do with that truck?
I don't know, I'm gonna drag it out. You know how much room it's taking up?
Yeah, that's a big motherfucking truck, man.
I'm about to get tired of it.
Oh, for real? What's up, man? Yeah. I don't know, but I'll get up here. I'll drop it off
Yeah.
whenever. And like I said, I just want to. Because the tires have been rotated since y'all put them on there. And I need the motherfuckers rotated bad. They still good.
Yeah, you don't drive it enough for them to be bad, but yeah.
Yeah, but I still need to get them done. And
Well, let me know.
Yeah, I got
If
you.
you want to drop off, I got a camera, and I'll tell you where my spare key is. You just throw the key inside.
Okay, I got you.
Park it right here.
Okay, I got you.
That way.
All right, man.